Every secret advantage of your body type. Ectomorph. The endurance and speed body. An ectomorph is a body type that is naturally lean, lightweight, and narrow. People with this body type usually have long arms and legs, slim shoulders, smaller joints, and less body fat. This shape is not random. It is built for efficient movement. Ectomorph bodies use less energy to move. Because there is less mass to carry, walking, running, climbing, and repeating movements cost fewer calories. This makes ectomorphs naturally good at endurance activities, meaning activities that last a long time, like running long distances, walking far, or doing repeated physical tasks. Think of it like riding a bicycle instead of pushing a truck. Less weight means less effort. Their metabolism is usually fast, which means their body turns food into usable energy quickly instead of storing it. This allows ectomorphs to stay active for long periods without feeling heavy or slow. In early human history, this was useful for tracking animals, traveling long distances to find food or escaping danger quickly. The hidden advantage here is efficiency. An ectomorph body wastes very little energy. Joints experience less stress. Recovery from movement is faster. And the body stays mobile under repeated use. The trade-off is lower energy storage, meaning ectomorphs need regular food and warmth. But when movement matters more than strength, this body type shines. Mesomorph, the power and balance body. A mesomorph is a body type that is naturally strong, muscular, and well-proportioned. This body type usually has broad shoulders, a narrower waist, solid bones, and muscles that grow and maintain themselves easily. The mesomorph body is built for power combined with control. Mesomorphs produce force efficiently. Force means how strongly your muscles can pull or push. Because their muscles attach to bones at strong angles and their joints are well aligned, mesomorphs can lift, push, throw, and strike with less wasted effort. This makes them naturally good at tasks that require strength without needing extreme training. Their metabolism is balanced, meaning energy is neither burned too fast nor stored too easily. Food is used to support muscle repair and activity instead of being quickly lost or heavily stored. This allows mesomorphs to recover faster after physical work and repeat demanding movements more often. In survival terms, this was useful for hunting, carrying, building, and defending. Mesomorph muscles are both strong and responsive. Responsive means they react quickly when needed. This gives mesomorphs an advantage in activities that require sudden bursts of effort, like sprinting, jumping, or lifting, while still being able to keep going afterward. It's like having an engine that accelerates fast but doesn't overheat. The skeletal structure of a mesomorph supports stability and balance. A stable frame reduces the risk of injury during physical stress and allows the body to handle uneven terrain, resistance, or repeated impact. This balance between strength and coordination makes mesomorphs naturally athletic across many different tasks. The hidden advantage of the mesomorph body is versatility. It can switch between strength and endurance without falling apart. While it requires proper recovery to avoid joint strain, this body type represents evolution's solution for adaptability. Strong enough to handle force, efficient enough to keep moving, and balanced enough to do both well. Endomorph, the energy storage and stability body. An endomorph is a body type that is naturally broader, denser, and built to store energy. This body type often has a wider torso, thicker limbs, stronger joints, and a higher tendency to hold body fat. This design is not a weakness. It is a survival system built for endurance and reliability. Endomorph bodies are highly efficient at energy preservation. Instead of burning calories quickly, they store them as fat and muscle. Fat is not just extra weight. It is stored fuel. In environments where food was unpredictable, this allowed endomorphs to stay functional during long periods of scarcity, cold, or physical stress. Their structure provides natural stability. A lower center of gravity makes the body harder to knock over and easier to balance. This helps with lifting, carrying, pushing, and resisting external force. That's why endomorphs often excel at tasks that require sustained strength, like hauling heavy loads or maintaining force over time. Endomorph muscles are built for long-term output, not quick bursts. They don't tire as fast during steady work. This makes endomorphs well-suited for repetitive labor, long workdays, or physically demanding tasks that must be maintained rather than rushed. Think of it as a slow-burning engine that runs all day instead of a fast one that overheats. The hidden advantage of the endomorph body is durability. Joints are well supported, energy reserves protect against exhaustion, and recovery from long effort is often strong. While this body type must manage excess energy carefully, it thrives when consistency, strength, and survival under pressure matter most. Ecto-meso, the lean athletic hybrid. An ecto-meso body type blends the speed of an ectomorph with the muscle response of a mesomorph. This body looks lean but athletic, with visible muscle, longer limbs, and low excess fat. Think sports car with a turbo. Light frame, but it actually has power under the hood. This body type produces force without extra weight. Because there is muscle without bulk, movements stay fast and controlled. Jumping, sprinting, climbing, and sudden direction changes all cost less energy than they would in a heavier frame. This is why ectomesos often excel in sports that require speed and strength, like soccer, basketball, martial arts, or chasing things that really don't want to be caught. Their metabolism is responsive, meaning food is quickly turned into usable energy or muscle repair. Energy doesn't sit around doing nothing. It gets put to work. This makes ectomesos efficient performers, but it also means skipping meals can feel like trying to run a phone on 1% battery. Technically possible, but stressful. Muscles in this body type adapt quickly. Training shows results faster than average, but recovery still matters. Because the body can do a lot, it may try to do too much. Overuse injuries can happen if rest is ignored. Evolution gave this body range, not invincibility. The hidden advantage is adaptability. This body can sprint when needed, lift when required, and keep going longer than expected. It's a multi-tool body, not the biggest hammer, not the lightest feather, but very hard to beat in mixed challenges. Endo-meso, the power-endurance hybrid. An endo-meso body type combines the energy storage of an endomorph with the muscle density of a mesomorph. This body is solid, strong, and built to work hard for a long time. If bodies had job titles, this one would be reliable heavy-duty machine. This frame stores fuel well and knows how to use it. Energy is available when needed, which supports repeated lifting, pushing, carrying, or resisting force. This made endomesos valuable in environments where survival depended on consistent output, not flashy speed. Their muscles are thick and efficient. Once warmed up, they can keep producing force without burning out quickly. That's why this body type often shines in strength-based tasks that last longer than a few seconds. It's less one big lift, and more, let's do this all day. The skeletal structure provides joint protection and balance. Bones are dense, joints are supported, and the body absorbs stress well. This reduces injury risk during heavy or repetitive work. The trade-off is that quick acceleration may feel slower, like starting a loaded truck instead of a bicycle, but once it's moving, good luck stopping it. The hidden advantage here is sustained power. Endo-meso bodies don't quit early. They are built to persist, endure, and keep producing when others run out of fuel. Body frame. Compact versus tall builds. Beyond muscle and fat distribution, skeletal frame size plays a huge role in body advantages. A compact frame has shorter limbs and a lower center of gravity. A taller frame has longer limbs and greater reach. Neither is better. They just solve different problems. Compact frames create leverage. Shorter limbs mean less distance for force to travel, making lifting, balance, and control easier. This is great for stability, strength efficiency, and movements that repeat often. Compact bodies are harder to knock over and easier to control, like a well-balanced coffee mug that doesn't tip easily. Taller frames create range and momentum. Longer limbs increase stride length, reach, and speed potential. This makes running, jumping, throwing, and covering distance more efficient. Taller bodies move more ground with each step. Fewer steps, same destination, less leg traffic. Both frames evolved due to environment and climate. Cold climates favored compact builds that conserve heat. Open or warmer regions favored taller builds that release heat and cover distance efficiently. Your bones are climate-tested hardware. The hidden advantage of your frame is mechanical efficiency. Every bone length and joint angle determines how easily you move, lift, resist force, and stay balanced. Your skeleton is not just structure, it's strategy. Every body type carries hidden advantages shaped by evolution, environment, and survival needs. Your body isn't random. It's a tool built for specific strengths, even if modern life forgot the instruction manual. If you want to understand more about how your body really works, subscribe and keep learning what you were built to do.